Have you ever felt that history holds more secrets than we're told? That beneath the surface of well-known stories lie mysteries so profound they could change everything we think we know about our past. For centuries, humanity has chronicled its journey, but some chapters remain tantalizingly blank, filled with whispers of lost civilizations, forgotten technologies, and events that defy all logical explanation. Let's peel back the layers of time and venture into the shadows where these riddles reside. Imagine a world where advanced civilizations flourished long before our recorded history. The Maya, masters of astronomy and mathematics, built staggering pyramids aligned with the cosmos, then mysteriously abandoned their cities. Why? What knowledge did they possess that we've since lost? Further back, we find Göbekli Tepe in modern-day Turkey. These massive, intricately carved stone pillars are over 11,000 years old, predating Stonehenge by 6,000 years. They were built by hunter-gatherers, a feat that completely upends our understanding of early human capability. And of course, there's the enduring legend of Atlantis, a sophisticated island nation described by Plato, which supposedly sank beneath the waves in a single day and night. Was it a cautionary tale, or a memory of a real, cataclysmic event that erased a superpower from the face of the earth? As we move forward into the Middle Ages, the mysteries don't fade, they simply change their form. The Black Death swept across Europe, a devastating pandemic that wiped out up to half the population. While we attribute it to the Yersinia pestis bacterium, historical accounts describe terrifying celestial phenomena and strange atmospheric conditions just before the plague's arrival. Were these mere superstitions, or did something else contribute to this unprecedented catastrophe? Artists and chroniclers of the era also depicted strange objects in the sky, things that look remarkably like modern descriptions of UFOs. In the 1561 celestial phenomenon over Nuremberg, witnesses reported a large-scale aerial battle between various shaped objects. Was this mass hysteria, a meteorological event, or something far stranger? The dawn of the modern age brought its own set of enigmatic figures, none more so than Nikola Tesla, a genius whose mind operated on a different plane. Tesla envisioned a world of free, wireless energy. He claimed to have developed technologies far beyond his time, including a death ray capable of stopping armies and a way to transmit power through the Earth itself. But after his death, the FBI seized many of his research papers and inventions. Key documents are still classified or have mysteriously vanished. What did Tesla truly discover in his laboratory? Were his ideas too revolutionary, or perhaps too dangerous, for the world? We're left with only fragments of his genius, wondering what technological marvels were lost to secrecy and fear. Now let's journey to the remote wilderness of Siberia in 1908. On a quiet June morning, a colossal explosion, estimated to be 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of forest. This was the Tunguska event. Yet, despite its immense power, no impact crater was ever found. Theories range from a meteor exploding in the atmosphere to a mini black hole, or even an experiment by Tesla gone awry. With no definitive evidence, the cause of the largest impact event in recent history remains one of science's greatest unsolved puzzles. What could have unleashed such destructive force without leaving a single trace of its origin? Finally, we arrive at the height of World War II, and a story that blurs the line between science fiction and military secret: the Philadelphia experiment. According to legend, the U.S. Navy attempted to make a warship, the USS Eldridge, invisible to enemy radar. But the experiment supposedly went horribly wrong. Witnesses claim the ship not only vanished from Philadelphia's naval yard, but also teleported hundreds of miles to Norfolk, Virginia, and back again in an instant, surrounded by a strange, greenish-blue glow. The crew were said to have suffered horrific side effects, with some even fused into the ship's metal structure. The Navy has always denied the event took place, dismissing it as a hoax. But the stories persist, passed down through whispers and classified documents that hint at experiments with radical electromagnetic field technology. Lost civilizations, celestial battles, forgotten technology, and impossible experiments. Are these just tall tales and coincidences? Or are they pieces of a much larger puzzle, clues to a history that has been deliberately hidden or tragically forgotten? The truth is out there, waiting in the shadows of the past. What you choose to believe is up to you. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the unknown. If you enjoyed exploring these mysteries, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the secrets of our world. Until next time, keep questioning.